Hello everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Taco Talks. Our guest today needs no introduction, but I'll still give one. She's a dermatologist, owner of Yeti Airlines, director at Chikor Insurance, a religious devotee, her friend's favorite, life of a party, an Instagram fanatic, a charmer and whatnot. So here we have Miss Shrujana Shrestha. Hi Shru, how are you?
I'm good. That was quite an introduction.
But I guess all that is what you are.
I guess.
Yes? We see you everywhere. You are on the page 3. You are on the business magazines. Who is Shrujana really? With all of this, the introduction, who is Shrujana at heart?
At heart. Who is she? Okay,
The nation wants to know.
let me make it relatable to my profession.
Yes.
So I think Shrujana is great skincare.
Of course.
Multi-layered, always glowing.
Absolutely. Always glowing.
But only few know about the real formula.
Which is what we want to know today.
But then I don't really know how to describe myself, but then most of my close friends and my own sisters, they describe me as epitome of contradictions actually.
Really?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Because I'm very hardworking, but I'm very, very laid back at the same time. I am an introvert for sure, but I'm an extrovert as well.
That's actually very true. Now
Yeah.
that you put it across, and as much as I know you, that's actually very true.
Yes.
How do you manage to be everywhere all at once, which you are? I see you at clubs at 3 a.m., but you're also doing your puja at 6 a.m. and also for work at 8 a.m. How do you manage it? How do you derive that energy?
I think with me it's mostly about smart planning, time management, and it's my energy level maybe and my willingness to do it all. I don't really have a twin sister.
Oh, nice, nice. So it's actually you that's
Yes.
present everywhere. We know that, and we really are inspired by that with your energy.
Good
so,
to know.
So yes, of course. So like you said that it's the energy that you have within you. Is there any motivation? What is that one thing that keeps you going every morning? That okay, let's do it. Do you have a mantra that you live by?
Like I said, it's mostly about smart planning.
Smart planning.
Like I need to start my day as I have planned it. So I think it's about that discipline that I have been maintaining for quite some time now.
So when you know that you have planned your day in a certain way, even if you have to go out at night, you will come back and then still start your day. Wow.
Yes.
I hope I can do that sometime. Since you have your social commitments, and I know that you actually make it to all of them.
Okay.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I mean, I feel that how does Shrujana actually manage? If I have invited you to a Sandhara party, to my Sandhara party, you're also there, but you were also in your clinic an hour prior. So when you are fulfilling those commitments, what is going inside you? Is it like I have to do it because you have no option, or there is a willingness that you're following?
The thing is, I value the balance in my life. Hanging out with my friends and my close family, it's a blast every time, and it's almost like a therapy for me,
Wow.
But then let's get real. Not every commitment is fun, of course.
Yes.
Sometimes it's out of obligations. Sometimes it's related to work. Every time there's a learning process, so I think it's fun in the end. And then I made it to your events because I like you.
Yes, I'm
Not-
glad. Glad.
I'm quite selective that way. Not every invite gets a yes after all.
Wow, that makes me really happy, Shru. Hello on that again.
Okay.
Let's get to the profession now, the skin. Again, the nation wants to know what is the secret behind your glowing skin. Believe me, I am speaking for thousands of people behind me. It's not just me. So what is that secret?
I get that a lot, but is it glowing right now?
It is, it is. I mean, from everywhere.
I think it's, with me, it's mostly about consistency. So, following a good skincare routine, a little bit of self-love is what is required. And I'm a firm believer of glowing from within. So, like I mentioned, you need to have a disciplined lifestyle. You need to follow good habits, of course. And then laugh a little, or maybe a lot more every day.
From your heart.
Yes.
And not just from your mouth.
It could be one secret because I laugh a lot.
Yes, yes. What is Instagram according to you?
Where I post my daily activities.
Yeah, because you know, I'm also a big time Instagrammer. I love putting my life on Instagram. What do you think about it? A lot of people have...
Initially, I thought I was just posting it just for fun and just for the memory, because so many things are happening in your day-to-day life. You want to remember, you want to see your improvement, how you're improving. Let's talk about boxing or dancing, how I've improved from like previous years to now. I can see the difference that way.
Wow.
And then whenever I visit somewhere, you can see me like posting, and then I'm always citing the location, because the next time someone asks me, or if I myself am traveling, I would go through those stories again, and then, oh, these places had good food, this place had like good drinks, whatever it was. So it helps me a lot that way. But besides that, what I've noticed is what we do in our daily lives, like waking up early in the morning, working out, is helping the mass get motivated somehow. I never thought about it that way in the beginning, but there are so many people messaging me like, your stories make me feel good, like it motivates me to work out, you know, and all that things. And then, mostly
so
that.
it is,
and of course, it's what I've noticed now and understood the importance is the social media is a very good platform to like let people know about what you're doing. Like it's helping me with the clinic also. I don't do much of marketing otherwise, but it's helping a lot, mostly word of mouth.
I feel like what's happening on Instagram is what is actually happening with you. It is your reality. If I'm putting it on Instagram, I'm not faking it. Don't you think so? I mean, if it's there on Instagram, I'm doing it. I'm not lying about it.
Of course, with me, it's always real time, so I have no time to lie about it for sure. But then like everything you see on the Instagram is not my life also. Like it's not that I'm always the workout sessions, the work session, everything. I don't get to put everything all the time, but what I post is like what fraction of seconds of my life.
Right.
So that is not going to define me. But then like whatever I feel is something that I'm going to look back at. I'm going to post those for myself, mostly those. But then it's helping others. That's the other thing. But I'm actually posting for myself. And I don't like posting something that I've done yesterday. For some, maybe like throwback memory, that's different. But even if you tag me, I don't repost the other day because so many things have already happened. Now I don't want to go back there and post that. So it's usually real time with me.
So it is actually your diary. It's my diary.
Yes, kind of.
Wow.
Yes, interesting.
Lovely to hear that. So we come to our second segment, which is the rapid fire segment. How excited are you for that, Shru?
Well, I'm not really good at rapid fires, but let's see.
But I won't ask you two tough questions.
Okay.
Easy, nice ones. Something that we actually want to know. And believe me, these questions have come from heart. Something that I personally want to know from you.
Okay, I'll answer them from my heart.
Yes. Okay, so I'll start. A skin treatment you swear by.
Wow, that's tough. Difficult to choose from. I would say Platinum Hydra Facial.
Have I tried it?
Yes, you have, and you loved it.
Okay, I'm glad. If you could eat one food for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Actually, I have a thing for variety, but if I need to stick to one food, it would be coffee ice cream.
The affogato?
Coffee flavored ice cream.
Okay.
So I like it a lot. I can never get over it. Maybe eating it every day might help me get over it.
Wow, okay, nice. Good way to actually put it. What's the first thing you notice about someone when you meet them? Very curious on that.
I think it's mostly their energy and their vibe that makes me decide whether I want to connect with them further or not.
Wow.
But a dermatologist in me do pay attention to the skin as well. I think it's a work habit.
You do that.
Yeah.
Who's the most famous person on your phone?
It should be Manisha Koirala ji.
Oh, lovely.
So I got to know her when she visited my clinic 5 to 6 years back, and ever since I think we've become quite close. Yeah, she's beautiful inside out. She's very famous.
Yeah.
She's the one.
I've seen her on your stories actually.
Yes.
Coming to the clinic.
Yes.
Lovely. If you could swap lives with a Bollywood personality, who would it be?
Nora Fateh can be considered Bollywood,
Of course.
mostly for her dance moves
Yes.
and her amazing wardrobe.
And then you say that I can't dance.
Now I can a little.
Yeah, yes, of course.
I don't know
And-
how good it is, but I can.
But actually, you're really right on that. Nora and you could swap. Would you consider a reality show about your life?
I love my privacy for sure, but if someone is willing to produce it and pay me, I would say bring it on.
Why not? It's more glam coming your
Yeah.
way. One skincare mistake people make that drives you crazy.
I think skipping their nighttime skincare routine, but what drives me crazy would be when some people think they know better than we dermatologists do.
Yes.
It's cute, maybe. But I think they should trust me. Your
Yes.
skin might thank you later.
Of course.
Yeah.
A talent that no one knows about.
Okay, even I don't know. Talent. I think I pay close attention to likes and dislikes of the people I care about. So in a way, I have this ability to make people agree to do things without them actually realizing it. Kind of a mind trick, but in a good way.
Because you know what their
Yeah.
likes and dislikes are and they're unable to get it. Lovely, that was amazing. You're so good at it. I have a quick this or that. Not really rapid fire, but a quick choose between this or that.
Okay.
Okay.
I need to explain or just this?
Nothing, just you
Okay.
just have to choose.
Okay.
Botox or fillers?
Tough choice. Botox.
Botox. SPF 30 or SPF 50?
More the better. 50.
Okay, okay. Expensive skincare or drugstore products? Tough.
If I have a choice, why not expensive ones?
Of course. Fame or money?
Hey,
Come
I want
on.
both.
I have both.
I want both.
You have both, but if you had to choose?
Money.
Money. Red carpet life or a casual hangout life?
Casual.
Casual?
hangout life.
Yeah. Strict diet or a strict workout?
Both are important, but I can't stick to strict diet, so strict workout.
Lovely. I mean, cheers on that again.
Yeah.
You were so good.
Thanks.
So our third segment is my most favorite, the fun segment. We'll play a little bit of games here and there, easy ones. Are you ready?
No, this is making me nervous.
No, you don't have to be. It's easy.
Okay.
So first game is actually a reaction game. I'll give you a couple of situations and you just have to react with your expressions and maybe a little bit of sound if you want. Ready, Shrew?
Let's see.
How will you react if your Bollywood crush passes by?
Like this. Should I go or not? Maybe
Secret,
not.
secret reactions. How would you react if you encounter somebody with a bad Botox? You laugh on their face.
If they're asking for my advice, then of course I will help them out.
If you
No,
just see
I
them,
wouldn't react just like that. No,
you wouldn't.
No.
You'll be a nice,
Yeah.
nice doctor.
I'm a nice person.
Nice doctor. My favorite doctor. If someone spilled alcohol on you, a boring party that you cannot leave.
Like
I have
this.
seen that expression sometimes. Another game, small game, is, I'm sure we all know about this game. Guess the English translation of the Hindi songs. I have two of them. Okay?
Only two?
Yes, only
Okay.
two.
Alright.
It's only you. Now it's only you. You are my life now, my peace, my pain, my love is.
Are
This
they?
is easy.
You come
Okay,
again?
Okay. It's only you. Now it's only you. You are my life
तुम ही
now.
हो
Yes.
Tum hi ho, that one?
Yes. Can you sing one line for us?
Tum hi, I don't know.
Tum hi ho,
Oh.
ab tum hi ho, zindagi ab tum hi ho.
Okay.
I know you have your singing side as well.
A little bit.
Little bit.
Not that great.
Okay, another one.
Karaoke thing.
Karaoke thing. Give me a hug, for this beautiful night may never come again. Perhaps in this lifetime we may never meet again.
What?
Okay, again. Give me a hug,
Give me a hug. How
For
cool.
this
What do you call it
beautiful-
in Hindi?
for this beautiful night may never come again. Perhaps in this lifetime we may never meet again.
What do you call hug in Hindi?
Okay. I'll say it with a little bit more emotions, okay?
Okay.
Give me a hug.
Oh, was that
For this
supposed to be help?
For this beautiful night.
I think this is the original song.
Okay, I'll give you it. It's an old song.
Okay.
But a very, very timeless one.
Very old.
For this beautiful night may never come again.
Raat.
Perhaps in this lifetime we may never meet again.
Kabhi mile na mile.
Yes,
Kabhi
yes.
mile na mile.
You're close. In this lifetime, Janam.
शायद जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले. Oh, gale, yes.
Yes, give me a hug.
Yeah.
Nice, you're great
Okay.
at that.
So I want to play the same game with you.
Wow.
I've actually made it ready just now.
I'm nervous now.
No, you don't. You're not. I'm sure.
Okay, bring it on.
You've stolen my heart, my love, so don't look away now.
दिल चुराया कहीं और मत देखो.
What song is that? Sing it.
Can I know a few more lines?
Okay, let's just stick to this one first. You've
Okay.
stolen my heart.
चुरा लिया है तुमने जो दिल को, नजर नहीं चुराना सनम. See, we are good at it, yeah?
Yeah. I knew you would be good.
Okay.
Another one, even more easier, I think.
Okay.
But I don't have two lines, just one line, okay?
Okay.
Touch my lips, make my song immortal.
छूकर no. Again.
Touch my lips and make.
होठों
Yes.
से छू लो तुम, मेरा गीत अमर कर दो.
Nice.
बन जाओ मीत मेरी, मेरा प्रीत अमर कर दो. We're good at this, yeah?
Yes, very good.
Nice, I'm glad.
Okay.
So, tables turned, games played. Did you enjoy the round?
Yes, of course.
Glad. Here we are to the last and the most excitement segment of this show, Taco of the Day. Today's taco are pizza tacos. They are mixed veggies sauteed with garlic, pizza sauce, basil and topped with cheese. So basically eating pizza in a taco.
Wow, that sounds very interesting.
Yeah, it
And
does.
very unique.
Yes.
I can't wait to taste them.
Please, please.
Should I start?
Yes, please. You know, that was the whole point. How tacos can be made so versatile. I mean, you can stuff in anything in a taco and they'll still taste amazing.
Oh, is that why you call it?
Taco Talks?
Yeah.
Yes. And also, I love food. So, it had to be named after food. And with the versatility.
Food Crush by Arushi.
Thank you
right?
for that promotion. I love you. Yes, Food Crush by Arushi.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Taco cheers.
Taco cheers.
Good.
It seems like healthier version of pizza.
Maybe,
Right?
yes. That's actually nice. So that's the end of today's episode, guys. How was it, Shrew?
I loved it. It was fun, light, casual, and yummy.
Yummy, yes. Thank you for being here and happy Taco Talks to everyone.